What's up, Shiba Inu holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm talking about the Shiba Inu coin. What will be the price of Shiba Inu in the July month? Now, it is the end of June. The July month it starts now very soon. So get ready for a July month, holders. My friends, that's a good news for all Shiba holders. So first of all, in this good news, please click the subscribe button and like this video. Hope you want to subscribe my channel, and absolutely if you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update about cryptocurrencies market. Anyways, let's see more about the Shiba Inu. So my friends, first of all, if we look the latest price of the Shiba Inu in the market, so the price is going to increase 0.000008 USD dollar. 8 USD dollar is the currently price of the Shiba in the market. And if we look more about the Shiba Inu, so the market cap 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the Shiba coin is gradually increased, my friends. Gradually, slowly the price changes is going to increase. So now you know what, it is the end of June, so this means that in the end of June the Shiba Inu price start pumping. Furthermore, let me check it out the price chart. Wow, the June month is also a good month, but unfortunately in the start of June the Shiba Inu falls down, and now in the latest last 10 days the price start pumping, and still the price change is positive. You can see here last 24 hours price change is still positive, 7.49%. For let me show you the price chart of the Shiba Inu coin. Oh my god, it absolutely there's a complicated chart of the Shiba coin, my friends. Now in a previous time, if we do a technical analysis, so that's a resistance line and there's a support line. So now at this time, in a previous time the price falls down, the price falls down, and now at this time this streak with the support line in bounce up, my friends. So absolutely, my friends, my prediction is positive about Shiba Inu coin, and absolutely they will continue this pump for long term, my friends. Possibilities, there is a chances to they continue this pump throughout this whole July month. Throughout this whole July month they continue this pump. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Shiba Inu? Please also tell me in the comment box, but please don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, so you will get the latest update about cryptocurrencies market. Thanks for watching this video.